Sensibility and practicality define the 2021 Ford Edge. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, rear parking sensors, a roof rack, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.